Hello friends, how are you? So today we are solving this problem, insert greatest common divisor in linked list. So basically this is a simple question, though it is medium. So what is happening over here is one linked list is given to us like this 10, 6, 18, 6, 10 and 3. So what we have to do is basically we have to take every pair of that linked list, like here 18 and 6. So we have to find the GCD of both these numbers, and whatever number is the GCD of these two numbers, we have to basically insert that number. So 18 and 6, what is the GCD? 6 is the GCD. So we are inserting this new node here. So see here, we inserted it here. Now our next pair is 6 and 10, this one, the older one. Okay, so now we will take this thing. So what is the GCD of 6 and 10? 6 and 10 has the GCD as 2, right? So we will make another node of value 2 and will insert it here. So see here at this location we have inserted this. Now we have this final pair 10 and 3. So remember that we have to traverse with the older values, not with the modified nodes. Whatever we added new one, we don't have to consider those pairs. So now we are at here 10 and 3. So what is the GCD of these two, 10 and 3? The GCD is 1. So we will create a node of size 1, and then we are, see here, we have added this node here. Okay, and we are returning this modified linked list. This is all what we have to do. So first of all, we will understand how to calculate the GCD of any number in programmatically. Okay, so it would be very simple. Let me explain it. So the function would be something like, let's say I am calling it GCD. Okay, and GCD of two numbers, let's say A and B. Okay, so what we will do is, if we find that in case of if we go the B percent of A, okay, so basically if B percent of A is 0, okay, if this is equal to 0, then what would be the GCD? Obviously GCD would be A only, right? So we will return A. Okay, otherwise if this is not the case, then what we will do? Otherwise we will return this GCD function with this value. We will call this GCD with the B percent A. Okay, B percent A and B, A. We will call this function like this. So this would be a recursive approach. So this is our closing condition. If this case is not, then we will call it here again, GCD with B percent A and A. You can take an example, for example 4 and 8. Okay, so 4 and 8, A equal to 4 and B equal to 8. So see here, 8% 4, what is it? Is 0, right? So this would be returning A directly. So GCD would be 4 here, right? But taken another example, for example, we are giving the example like this, 8 and 4, right? So first of all, we will come here. What would be 4% 8? It would not be 0, right? 4% 8, it would be 4 only. So here we will call this function again. So this would be 4 and A is also 4, right? In this case, again, when we call this function GCD, we can see here that B percent A is actually 0. So what would be our answer? Our answer would be 4, right? Because we are here at this closing condition. So now I will be writing the code of it. So let me write first the code for to calculate the GCD of two numbers. So int GCD, and we will do int A and int B. Let's say we want the GCD of these two numbers. So first of all, we will take, if B percent A equal to 0, then we would be returning directly A. A would be our GCD. Else what we will do? Otherwise we will return GCD of what? B percent A and A. Okay, so this is a recursive function. This is what we gonna use. Okay, so now we will go here and we'll check that how to do. So first of all, because our head would be answer, so let me store the answer node first. So list node answer equal to our head. Okay, and one more thing, like we can store list node temp equal to head. Okay, also we can have int A equal to head dot what it is, head dot value. Okay, so we will take it head dot val. These are things which we have just initialized. Now we will call a while loop while temp dot next is not equal to null. Okay, oh my god, yeah. So now we will check. So first of all, what we will do is we will calculate the GCD. Okay, so what it would be, so we are storing the after node. Okay, so because see here, after calculating the, so I am storing this after node value in temp dot in this variable after. Okay, for temp dot next, because for example here it would be 6, right? Once we insert this GCD node here, we have to keep track of this node, right? So for that reason I am storing this list node after equal to temp dot next. Now what we will do is we will make this temp dot next equal to GCD of what? GCD of A and this after dot next. Okay, after dot val, sorry, because we have to take this value, right? So see here, this would be our new node, right? So new list node of this value, whatever GCD we got. Okay, now what we will do is we will make the one step forward. So temp equal to temp dot next. Okay, now what we will do, we have to add this node to the after value, right? So we added this guy here. Now we have to make this dot next to this value, right? So for that reason what I am doing, temp dot next equal to temp dot next equal to after. Okay, after. And one more thing is here, now our new value of A, our A would be basically temp dot val. Okay, temp dot val would be our new value. So finally what will happen, we will return our answer, this head, right? So we will do this return answer. So let me execute this code. Yeah, one more thing is we have to add this here, right? We have to move it. So temp equal to temp dot next, right? And this A equal to temp dot val. So let me run this code now. Yeah, so it is running fine. Let me try to submit it. Yeah, it is 100% faster. So thank you for watching this video. If you guys have any concern, please make a comment over there. Thank you.